our world moves faster than ever. More complex, more demanding, more at stake. There's no room for delay, no time for maybe. Keeping up isn't enough, so we move faster. We turn millions of flight hours of data into insight to predict maintenance, extend endurance, and keep passengers moving. We apply AI to process billions of pixels a minute to sense sooner, see farther, and return those who protect us home safe. We harness the power of over 180,000 innovators and hundreds of connected factories, designing, developing, delivering to see the biggest picture in the smallest detail. No matter how fast our world moves, RTX turns scale into speed.